Will they or won't they? There are rumors buzzing about Apple releasing the iPhone 5 as early as October 4th. Maggie Miller is at the social media desk tracking your comments. Maggie.
Sarah, that's right. People have been anticipating the release of this iPhone 5 for months. It was first said to come out in June or July, and now it's moved to October or November, and people are wondering if it's even coming out at all. The iPhone 5 is rumored to be Tim Cook's first product ever since Steve Jobs resigned as CEO and he took over. So let's see what we have going on Twitter. Lars Boom says there's no iPhone 5 yet, but cases are for sale, and those cases are right here. So it seems that we're getting ready for some sort of launch for an iPhone 5. And then we have Caroline Cahill saying, anyone considering trading in their iPhone 4 for an iPhone 5? I couldn't wait, but I'm tempted to trade in via Gazelle. So other people are wondering how big the phone's going to be, if the screen will take up the whole front, if it'll be rounded or square, if they're making a white one. So everyone's really curious about this, and hopefully we'll find out by October 4th or maybe even a little bit later. Back to you.